Hi, I'm Wayne Powell, the founder of Hawaiian Shamanic Bodywork and Trust Love Music. I'm primarily a songwriter and producer, yet I'm also a holistic health educator because I love this work so much and I love witnessing the healing miracles that so many people have created who've reclaimed their health, their lives, and their happiness. I've been a holistic health educator for over 3 decades now, and I'm very excited to share with you some extremely valuable knowledge about how your body works and how much stress plays a significant role in your body's condition, vitality, and function, as well as your attitude and how you treat others. My job, or joy of being, has been assisting thousands of people to reclaim their health and their life. I've traveled the world and witnessed so many healing miracles from every kind of ailment, using the sciences that I'm sharing with you today. We call this program the Body Tune-Up. And the Body Tune-Up is a holistic form of aligning various intestinal valves, meridians, and posture that can change the course of your health significantly. One body tune-up treatment can return so much energy to you by simply recalibrating your toxin flow. If you've been recycling toxins back into your bloodstream, then you have a form of leaky gut. But before I get too deeply into the Body Tune-Up program, I want to give you a little background on me and how I came upon this cutting-edge knowledge. Now, I began my holistic healing education at the Chiropractic Clinic in Pasadena, California in the mid-80s. There I was introduced to the science called Touch for Health, or Applied Kinesiology, the art of muscle testing. At that time in my life, I was playing a lot of racquetball and losing every game. But after just one Touch for Health treatment, I began winning at racquetball. That got me wondering how many people are walking around with muscle systems and meridians completely turned off, and they don't have a clue how much better they could perform or how much better they could feel if they were turned on. So I began looking, and soon after this discovery, I found a few AK masters in Los Angeles to study with. And what they had done was expand the Touch for Health system into the Body Tune-Up. My teachers could run up to 200 muscle tests in a 45-minute health assessment. I studied with them by receiving treatments over a 10-year period and learned how to use the Body Tune-Up. And then finally, I took a Touch for Health instructor training course from Dr. Wayne Topping in Bellingham, Washington, and received my instructor certification for Touch for Health from the Touch for Health Foundation in 2008. Now, that's enough about me, because I'm really here to share with you how this revolutionary discovery of a few brilliant chiropractors can help improve your health and the health of your entire family exponentially. Now, the science of muscle testing began with Dr. George Goodhart, who published the first book on applied kinesiology in the late 1960s and coined it as a new modality, which I will refer to as AK in this presentation. Now, Dr. Goodhart developed AK by integrating the science of muscular mobility called kinesiology with a form of vibrational medicine which uses verbal statements before testing an isolated muscle for integral strength. For example, if I make the statement, "My name is Sally," and I test my arm for the truth in that statement, my arm would be weak because the body mind knows it's not true. But if I stated, "My name is Wayne," and I tested my arm for the truth in that statement, my arm would test strong because it's true. Now, Dr. John Thie, the founder of his own chiropractic clinic in Los Angeles, was Goodhart's student, and he further developed what he learned from Goodhart into the world-renowned system known as Touch for Health in the 1970s. He integrated AK with Chinese acupuncture and meridians. Acupuncture became acupressure in Dr. Thi's Touch for Health system because he intentionally developed Touch for Health to be used at home as family medicine practice for family members to keep each other tuned up. Now, Dr. David Hawkins, an American psychiatrist and author of the best-selling book, Power versus Force, published in 25 languages, further developed AK by calibrating the vibrations of human emotions. A reviewer wrote, quote, Dr. R. Hawkins, MD, PhD, has taken muscle testing to the next level in an effort to determine what makes people and systems strong, healthy, effective, and spiritually sound, end quote. Now, you may not believe in muscle testing, but AK is used by many holistic physicians and shamans alike. Dr. Alberto Villoldo, a very well-known South American shaman, uses AK to determine what action to take for a specific healing, for cleaning and opening energetic portholes, and doing extractions, removing disruptive energies from the body. With AK, we can find out where the blockage is in a particular energy flow and determine how to proceed to open it, allowing in more light, thus healing. The BTU system that I'm introducing to you today has two different applications. Stress-Toxin Management is done on the front of the body, and passive structural alignment is done on the back of the body. In both applications, we use AK, muscle testing, to tap into your body's intuitive wisdom, your biocomputer, to determine how well your various systems, organs, intestinal valves are functioning and how we can best serve them to function even better with more vitality, energy, nutrients, and strength. I'm certain that all professional athletes are aware of this knowledge because it offers you peak performance without drugs or caffeine. Now that's it for the general introduction to the Body Tune-Up program. If you're interested in learning more or experiencing a Body Tune-Up treatment, click on the link we provided for you and I will explain each application of the Body Tune-Up in way more detail. Thank you for listening and being open to the knowledge of why you or someone you love might be feeling so negative, perhaps suicidal, or super depressed, and in such pain for far too long, wondering why so many little things are so upsetting. And you may also be wondering, how can you return to that playful feeling of carefree joy that you once had as a kid? I've watched many, many people reclaim their innocence and their love for life with this simple knowledge. You can too. Please don't hesitate to take action. Click the link we provided. Take the first step. You got this. Peace and blessings.